SmartPanics is a robust application engineered for emergency communication and comprehensive monitoring. It empowers users to swiftly report emergencies while providing them with a suite of control and management functions. It's a guardian that stands ready to protect everyone, from children dealing with bullying at school to seniors living independently or in nursing homes. It shields tourists, empowers victims of gender violence, provides security for high-ranking executives, and ensures the safety of citizens everywhere. In essence, it's your tool for extending protection to virtually any location by harnessing the capabilities of a smartphone. SmartPanics consists of two key components: the SmartPanics module, designed for the service provider, and the mobile application, available on both Android and iOS platforms. Let's explore them in greater detail.